In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu color on your WordPress website. Customizing the color of your menu is a great way to align your site's aesthetic with your brand or simply give it a fresh new look. So, let's dive into the process of making this change seamlessly. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you see the menu options. You are going to want to locate the Appearance tab. Click on this tab, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, select Customize. The Customize section is a powerful feature within WordPress that allows you to make various changes to your website's appearance, including the menu color. Once you're in the Customize section, find the option labeled Colors or something similar, depending on the theme you're using. This section is where you'll be making all of your color adjustments. If you don't see a Colors section, it's possible your theme might not support direct customization from this menu, so you may need to explore alternative options such as custom CSS or even consider switching to a more customizable theme. Assuming you've found the Colors option, click on it. Here, you'll typically see a variety of settings, including options for background colors, text colors, and most importantly, your menu color. Click into the Menu Color section to start making adjustments. You should see a color picker tool at this stage. This tool allows you to explore a wide range of colors, providing you the flexibility to select exactly the shade you're looking for. You can either choose a color by clicking directly on the palette or, if you have a specific color code in mind, enter the hexadecimal or RGB code to pinpoint your desired color exactly. After selecting your new menu color, make sure to preview the changes. You'll likely see a live preview on the right side of the Customize page. This preview allows you to see how the new menu color complements the rest of your website's design. If it looks good to you, hit the Publish button to save your changes. This ensures your color change takes effect across your website. It's important to note that changes made using the customizer are theme-specific. So if you ever switch themes in the future, you may need to redo these settings. Additionally, if you're feeling adventurous and want more control over the styling, consider using custom CSS. However, for most users, the customizer will provide all the functionality needed to make your menu color just right. There you go! A simple yet effective way to modify the menu color on your WordPress site. Customizing your menu can enhance your site's visual appeal and provide a more engaging experience for your visitors. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy customizing!